Hi everyone, so today we are going to make pan-seared scallops in a brown butter sauce. This is an absolutely divine recipe. It doesn't take that long to make, and the best thing about it is it comes with really creamy mashed potatoes. So what we've got here is some of our lovely hand-dived king scallops. We've got some potatoes for our mash and some clotted cream. And here we've got some parsley, lemon, capers and garlic, which is going to help make that beautiful brown batter sauce. And then we're going to toast some little hazelnuts for the top, which is just delicious. Okay, so you want to fill your saucepan with some boiling hot water to get those potatoes on. Okay, so whilst our potatoes are boiling, we're going to roast our hazelnuts, get a nice coating on them, and then we will finally chop them once they've cooled down. My potatoes are all boiled and I'm going to quickly strain them. Oh, that's heavy. Okay, so roughly crush up your potatoes before we move on to the next ingredient. Okay, so I'm going to add some salted butter to make it nice, creamy, velvety, buttery goodness. Give that a good stir in. Okay, so butter melted. Now in with the naughty clotted cream. And then I've got some freshly chopped garlic. That was 3 cloves, so I mean, it is a Valentine's night, so maybe don't go too heavy duty on the fresh garlic. And then finally, a bit of seasoning. Okay, so add some oil into your pan, get that nice and hot. And make sure your scallops are nice and dry. We don't want any excess water. We want to make sure that we get a really nice sort of caramelized coating on both sides. Okay, so turn them over. Okay, so now that you've got a bit of colour on your scallops, transfer them onto a plate so that we can move on to making the batter sauce. So what you're going to do is, in the same pan, add a couple of knobs of butter. I might even add that last little bit in there as well. Melt that down. So we want to wait until this starts to change to like a nice sort of caramelized brown, which gives a really gorgeous nutty flavor to this dish. So make sure that's nicely colored. So add in your capers. We're going to add in some chopped parsley. Woohoo! And a good squeeze of lemon juice. Okay, so now that you have made your brown butter, we're going to grab those scallops and pop them back in. Okay, so final job is just to roughly chop your hazelnuts. Be careful doing it, they go all over the place, but it really does add a really nice texture and flavour. Right, let's get dishing up. And there we have it, our very beautiful, decadent, brown buttered scallop dish. And as I mentioned, it would make a stunning starter for an even better main course, and I hope you'll enjoy it at home.